Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to configure multicasting on ASA. This is our topology. Please understand the IP addressing and topology correctly, then start the configuration. We have R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, ASA1, VLAN 10, VLAN 20. Let's start with VLANs. Go to switch 1. No, VLAN 2 2000, VLAN 10, 20. How many VLANs we required? VLAN 10, VLAN 20, R1, 2, 3, 4. Interface range fast Ethernet 1 by 0 by 1 to 4. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 10. 1 to 4 in VLAN 10. VLAN 1 to 4 in VLAN 10. 5 in 20. 20. Done. ASA 0 by 0 in 10. 10. 1. 0 by 1 in 20. Done. VLAN configuration complete. Then what we have to do? Let's start the IP addressing. Go to R1. R1. F0 by 0. No shut. IP address 101.10. 101.10. Its gateway, any IP, any mask 101.1. Do show history. Copy these commands. Take them to Notepad. At the place of 10, 20. Select all, copy. R2. 20. For R3, 30. For R3, 30. For R4, 40. For R4, 40. Then we have to generate configuration for R5 102.100. 102.100 gateway 102.1. Select all, copy. Then go to 5. Okay, 5 we don't have, get it. R5 clear line 37. R5. R5. Paste this. Done. We have configured R1, R2, R3, R4, R5. 102.100 gateway 102.1. 102.100 gateway 102.1. Remaining is ASA. Okay. Enable conft hostname ASA1. Interface gig 0 by 0. Interface gig 0 by 0. No shut name if. Inside IP address this one 0 by 1. Interface gig 0 by 1. No shut name if. Outside IP address 192.168.102.1. Show int IP brief. Show int IP brief. Show name if. So ASA can communicate with R1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, as well as with R5 102.100. Done. Now go to ASA. On ASA put command here, multicast routing. Okay, command is here, multicast routing. Then go to ASA. IGMP, IP, IGMP, or 1 minute here, enable multicast routing, IP, I or IGMP, forward interface outside. Done. First of all, what we have to do, enable multicast routing, go to that interface on which you will receive multicast queries or IGMP query. Command is IGMP forward interface outside. Go to that interface on which you will receive queries at 0 by 0, 0 by 0, IGMP forward interface outside, forward IGMP request to outside. Done. So show running config multicast routing enable, show running config interface gig 0 by 0, IGMP forward interface outside. Done. Then we have to go to R1 interface F0 by 0, IP IGMP join group 239.1.1.1, 239.1.1.1, enter, do show history, copy these commands, 2 select all, copy, go to R2, 3 select all, go to R3, 4 select all, copy, R4. Done. Go to ASA, show IP or show IGMP interface. Done. IGMP is enabled on interface. Okay, then show IP M route, not show M route. Here you can see 239 1.1.1, 239 1.1.2, 239 1.1.3, 239 1.1.4. Clear. Now this server will generate stream at these addresses. So we will generate ICMP stream. So traffic will go lower to higher. For that, open ACL, go to ASA, access list out, permit ICMP from 102.100 to 239.1.1.0, 255.255.255.0. Permit ICMP from host. Show running config access list. Access list out says that permit ICMP when source is this server, destination is multicast range. When traffic will come at in interface outside, access group out in interface outside. Show running config access list. Show running config access group. Yes, permit ICMP when source is this server, destination is multicast range, and when traffic will come in at the interface outside. When traffic will come in at the interface outside. Go to R5. Before going to R5, debug ICMP on R1, 2, 3 and 4. 2. Debug IP ICMP. Debug IP ICMP. Debug IP ICMP. Debug IP ICMP. Go to 5. Debug IP ICMP. Ping 239.1.1.1. Now you can see who is giving reply. Yes, this server is sending stream at 239.1.1.1. 239.1.1.1 joined by 192.168.101.10. Echo reply received from 101.10. Same. 2. 2 reply will be offered by R2. Done. 101.20. Same for 3 from 30 and same for 4. 40. Show M route. Done. This is sending the stream for this one. This is sending stream for this one. This is sending stream for this one. This is sending stream for this one. Incoming interface this one, and outgoing interface is here inside. When server is generating stream for 1, R1 is giving reply. When it is generating stream for .2, R2 is giving reply. When it is generating stream for 3, R3 is giving reply. When it is generating stream for 4, R4 is giving reply. Here you can check R1, R2, R3, R4. Thank you.